The Supreme Court Collegium has recommended Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court Nomikapam Koteshwar Singh and Acting Chief of Madras High Court R. Madhavan for elevation to the Apex Court. If the Supreme Court Collegium recommendation is accepted, Justice Nomikapam Koteshwar Singh will become the first judge from Manipur appointed to the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court Collegium, consisting of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gavai, Surya Kant and Rishikesh Roy, recommended the two justices for elevation to Supreme Court. The resolution of the Collegium maintained that appointment of Justice Nomikapam Koteshwar as a judge of Supreme Court will provide representation to the Northeast, and in particular, he will be the first judge from the state of Manipur to be appointed as judge of the Supreme Court. The Collegium noted that Justice Koteshwar has an impeccable record both in judicial capacity and in terms of the work which has been rendered by him on the administrative sides as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. It may be mentioned that Justice Koteshwar earned his LLB degrees from Delhi University in 1986. He started his legal career at Guwahati High Court and rose to senior advocate status by March 2008 and was appointed as an additional judge in October 2011.